Here we go. Okay, I just did a software update video on the S10 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, because I do one every month. I'm probably going to be selling this phone at a really good price, $10 million, because I just bought this 5G, S21 Ultra 5G. So this has got an update on it also. It's not showing right now, but I'm going to have to find it. Where's that update? Over here we have the 3.1 Android 11. What's the update on here? March 1st, so we're going to be doing on April 1st, like I just did on the other phone video. Let me find the software update link. And on the S10 Plus, we had update 26, I believe. This is the 5G Ultra, so we're at system update 3. I have no idea what it is. But that doesn't matter as long as I get an 8-minute video, so I can throw a lot of ads on it. Make sure you do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share. My sweetheart over here finally calmed down. She said he's not going to stop making videos, so I just need to go to sleep, and he'll give me attention later. She's worn out. She does not like when I do videos. Oh, that's a good girl. That's a beautiful dog. I love you. Yes, I do. Okay, so update 3. Let's do an install. I forget what it said as far as the battery power and the time, but we're at 51 seconds right now. It's probably going to be another one of those quick updates. It takes about 20 seconds to download and about 8 minutes to update and go through the modules and optimize everything. I know, yes, I know. You're such a good girl. You're so good. So that was really fast. We're at 1 minute and 13 seconds. The phone is starting to start up again. Starting to start up. I love when I do these videos and I say starting to start. Wow, look at that. That's the speed of the processor. The old other phone took a little while. This thing's just cranking out. That's what happens when you spend a fortune on a cell phone that you don't need, get 5G that you don't need, and get a processor that you don't need, and buy a plan that you don't need just because you don't need it. So, did I say do the thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment? Look at the affiliate links in the video description if you want to donate to my PayPal. That link's in the video description also. So, I'm just sitting here on the floor. Normally I put the light on, set up the tripod, and this time I'm trying to make sure that she's happy. Yeah, I know. Don't jump up. That's what I'm worried about. She likes to jump up. She'll say, okay, it's time to wake up. But it's not time to wake up. It's time to sleep. Yeah, good girl. You're tired, aren't you? Yeah, you're a good lady. Good girl. Okay, let's get back over to this. 37% on the Androidal. I don't know what to say, people. I used to have a BlackBerry. Didn't want to get rid of it. Oh my gosh, here we go now. Here we go. Miss Jumpy. She's like a kid trying to fight her sleep. I know. Okay, everybody's saying, what is wrong with her? There she is. Now she's sitting up. See, she has a very hard time. The minute this camera's off, she'll be out. You go back to bed. You go to bed. Now she's sitting here wanting full attention. You go back to bed. I know. I'm here for you. I'm here. I'm here, little lady. I'm here. You're okay. We're just doing a software update, and then I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to shut the light off. I'm going to turn off the TV, and it's going to be quiet for you so you can go to sleep again. All right? You like that? So we're at 48%, 49%. 3 minutes. The last one took about, they all take about 8 minutes. The BlackBerry used to take 30 minutes. With all the module checking, and it was an old phone, slow processor. So I didn't want to get rid of the BlackBerry, and then I went and I got the Samsung Android, and it really wasn't that different than the BlackBerry. It really wasn't. It had almost the exact same stuff. Just didn't have as high a level of security as the BlackBerry does, but at that point, I didn't need it that much. Not really worried about the Securitate on the phone.
Oh, I know. You just want to say hi to everybody, right? Yeah, you just want to say, please don't forget I'm here. Dun, 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 dun. Do, 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 do. Oh, you're so wonderful. We're going to have to go back to the video soon, yes? Everybody doesn't want to look at this little lady and say, why is she so cranky? She's so cranky tonight. Yes, she's cranky every night. We go through this every single night. I know, yes, that's what you do. This is what you do every night. Okay, 67%. Oh boy. How do you like this, how do you like this sheet over here? That was bad timing. Stop. That's enough. She does not want to leave me alone. Okay. Whew. Yikes. Okay, that was the dog, not me. 70%. What are we at? 5.5 minutes. Go to bed. Go to bed. We go through this every night. Go to bed. Come on now, go to bed. Look at that, look at this look. Like, do not tell me what to do. I will go to bed when you take that camera and throw it in the garbage can. That's what she says. You better throw that camera away because I'm gonna bite your hands off tonight. Yes. So we're a perfect match. We're a perfect match. She needs a lot of love and attention and affection and lots of guidance, and she doesn't want to be bothered all the time. So she's very strong and stubborn and a wonderful dog. Yeah, you're a good girl. You go to bed now. You go to bed. We're at 76%. This video will be done soon. Listen to my voice. Notice how it changes. It's kind of like the way a teacher talks to everybody else in life. All teachers, they talk down to you. Okay, now you better have your dinner. That's what the teacher says to her husband. You better have your dinner or I'm not going to let you watch TV tonight, honey. Yeah, what can you say? Okay, so we're at 79%. Video is taking a long time to do. We're at almost 7 minutes. 94%, it's going to reboot soon. It's going to go do the whole module thing. And so make sure that you check every month. I put one of these videos out. I've got 1,600 and some videos on YouTube that are awesome. Only watch them with your ad blocker off so that I can get lots of dinero. Samsung Galaxy. Yeah, it doesn't say Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. No. This is going to be a nightmare posting this in 4K, unless I drop it down a little bit. 4K uploads pretty fast on the tube, and then it takes almost a day now to process these videos. YouTube's really slow with processing 4K. Very slow. It's almost 24 hours for a 15-minute video. So I got all the stuff I'm posting. This is a quality video. This thing should go viral. This video should have 10 million views within an hour and make me $500,000 in a year. But nobody wants to watch stuff like this. I don't understand why. I just don't get it. They want to watch all those other TikTok things. Okay. We got to make sure I don't have any hidden messages. 481. I always get chat messages or text messages while I'm doing this stuff, and they pop up on the screen, and then I've got to edit. And, what can you do? We're at 8 minutes. Good. 8 minutes so I can put the 9,000 ads on here. Does anybody watch these things all the way to the end? I don't know. I don't know. I know people pay attention when they watch my videos. They say, wait a second, are your shorts okay? Okay. What did I just hear? So people do pay attention to the audio. Everyone's worried about my shorts. 481, we're at 9 minutes, so this is a long video. We're going to be at least a 10-minute video by the time it finishes processing and does the update and then shows the update. And I like to do this every month, so the only way I can pay for my phones is if I put a video like this out there and 9 million people watch it, and then maybe the tuber will give me 10 cents. what are we doing? We're optimizing messages and storage, and we're rebooting. We're starting up again. I think it's done. 8:54. I don't know when it started. Let's do the tap on this thing. I like to tap it hard. Loading my weather in. Okay, weather is done. Gotta make sure I don't have any messages above here that you can see. We're finishing the system update. And this is a big update, let me tell you. We're syncing the Garmin watch, and we're syncing the Gmail, and we're finishing the system thing, and we're at 10 minutes right now. Good, 10 minutes of ads. 10 minutes of ads for my viewers. They love the ads. Everybody clicks on them and says, yes, there's the Google system update. And then usually after that disappears, this finish thing just goes boop, bada boop, bada boop, bada boop. Look at all the stuff popping up and down. Somebody just sent me a message. That's why I told you I gotta make sure. It's a status update. I just ordered a guitar yesterday, and I'm wondering, did they actually ship it already? Because they told me they wouldn't have it for another 2 months. Stuff out. Software update successful. Usually you get a message on here, but let's go see what happens. That's successful. Let's update 3. I'm going to go turn this off in a minute. And go over to, oh my God. About. Software information. That's what I wanted to show you. April 1st, 2021. Thanks for watching this 12-minute video of nothing.